Hello and welcome to Caravan Salon. So I'm sort of on the hunt for the cheapest camper van at the moment. There are one or two used ones here, not many, but there are one or two. So for a new one here, it's claiming a price here for a 6-meter motorhome under 50,000 euros, and for a 636 at under 53,000. Let's have a look inside what you get for 50,000 euros. Indeed, that's the price, including transport and paperwork. That's the price, the genuine price. Not like the base price, which is often said, which doesn't include many things. This is a basic camper van. It is, you can't claim to be anything other than a basic camper van. Put lights on for you. Put some lights on for you. Right, widthwise bed, nothing, no windows here. There is a window there in the roof, and you got windows in the doors. Looking up here, storage all the way around. That's okay, no problem there. We've also got a net down here under the bed. That's to stop things falling out. Down here we will find a very large, very large, an incredibly large for this wardrobe for this type of vehicle. Oh, very nice. Well, I won't say very nice, I'm exaggerating a bit, but nice-ish. Washroom here. The lighting's good. There's only one drainage point in the shower tray. That's how much space I've got inside. But I suppose at this price point you can't complain too much. There you've got a window in the toilet. Also storage behind the mirror. Kitchen is the same as in every vehicle, camper van I should say. Sink, 2 drainage points, but it does have a domestic plug, which is a drainage point. Sorry, I call these drainage points, they're 2 hobs, right? And it's got a domestic drainage point with a domestic plug. There you go. Up here, the kitchen top here actually could be continued. Really, this is a kitchen top as well, isn't it? It's on top of the wardrobe, but it's a kitchen top. Right, so you might want to keep some food in here. Dometic fridge. It's one of these Dometic fridges which opens both ways. Although that way seems to not to be working at present, but never mind, I'm not going to force it. And forward-facing bench here. Large table which can be extended even further. We've got a bit of storage above there as well. This is a manual Fiat chassis. A couple of years ago, Clever Vans claimed that they had a van 30,000 euros. I don't think they ever sold any. I know 4 viewers tried to actually buy one at that price, and guess what? It just wasn't available. Not a surprise. This is the Livingstone 2, right? So here's some details. The fridge is 70 litres. They're claiming they can get 3 people in the bed, or maybe they're claiming you can put an extra bed down there somewhere. And it's a 4 kilowatt gas heater inside. So that'll keep you pretty warm, to be quite honest. 4 belted positions in there. Let's have a look at the back. A lot of space in there. This will move up, move around, and there's even straps down there to hold it up with. In here we'll find 2 gas, space for 2 gas canisters. Lots of space in there. So if you, okay, that will keep you warm in winter. Okay, it's meant to be a cheap van, but it'll do the job. Definitely no thrills, but it'll do the job. And if you want a few thrills, well, I suppose you can buy them for the vehicle. That is definitely one of the cheapest vans here. At 50,000 euros. and to be quite honest, if you actually built it yourself, I don't think you'd be able to do it much cheaper. The reason being, of course, that they're building, first of all, using materials which they'll get far cheaper than the public can get, and the other stuff, which the expensive stuff, the toilets, the fridges, and this type of thing. They're paying like half the price that the public pay. So anyway, there you go. That is something that Roller Team has on special offer right now. Thanks for watching.